Hi everyone, I just wanted to talk about lawn care. So this is a great example of over time a lawn becoming quite compacted and subsequently moss starting to really take hold within the lawn to the point that there's very little grass left. This can be commonly because the ground is wet and compacted. It might be because of shade. You might have shrubs or some trees that are blocking out light for the lawn's ability to dry out, or a lot of leaf fall in the winter. So the solution really is to perhaps apply some weed and feed to kill off the moss. Moss is generally very shallow and it can smother the grass from growing. You would also look to scarify, which is normally a process of removing any thatch or moss from the surface of the lawn, and then subsequently aerate the ground, which is a process of creating large divots within the ground, like a fork would have been traditionally used, and that is to subsequently free up and release the ground from being so compacted. It encourages stronger root growth from the grass and therefore a more healthy plant in the desire, the prospects of subsequently having a healthier lawn made of grass rather than moss. Okay, thank you.